Hello guys, Best Review for You team is back again with another review on Commission Blueprint 2.0. Firstly, we will look at the introduction, then Commission Blueprint 2.0 features, a note from Commission Blueprint 2.0, what you'll discover in this step-by-step video training, earning proofs, also simple 3 steps to achieve your dreams, and the exclusive bonus that I am going to offer you. Copy and paste my complete system to bring your affiliate campaigns on steroid and generate non-stop commissions starting right now. Step-by-step video training. Start enjoying passive income from day 1. Earn $200 per day. Got my own case study how I achieve 6-figure income. 100% newbie friendly. Got no content, no ads, no hard cost. Use code MyCommissions to get $4 off now. Countdown is finished. Dear visitor, I have question for you greater than. Are you tired of seeing your affiliate dashboard filed with nothing but zeros? Regardless of whatever techniques or strategies you pulled off so far, the results have been rather disappointing for you. Have you tried everything you knew about affiliate marketing but still not getting the desired results you wished for? Yet, affiliate marketing remains the fastest and easiest way to profit online. You don't need a website. You don't need to create a product. You don't need a lot of technical knowledge. You don't have to spend a lot of money. But I hear you may be asking yourself this. My awesome results get from JVZoo. Get Commission Blueprint 2.0 at a one-time price. $197 monthly, just pay $17 once and use forever. Get instant access now. Use code MyCommissions to get $4 off now. Hurry, price rises again in. Countdown is finished. Lorem ipsum is simply dummy text of the printing and typesetting industry. Lorem ipsum has been the industry's standard dummy text ever since the 1500s. If affiliate marketing is so easy, then why am I not making money? The answer is very simple. There are 4 big reasons for your failure. 1. Confusion. You do not know what works and what does not. 2. Limited info. Even if you know what works, you don't know how to do it right. 3. Wrong focus. You keep focusing on one thing and ignore the rest. 4. Old school methods. The hacks you are trying to do are ancient. If you keep doing the same thing while expecting different results, you're insane. My advice, listen, times are changing very fast. You need to adapt to new technologies, and at the same time you need to have a proven system in place to succeed. It doesn't matter how hard you work, but how smart you work. Now is the time for you to turn the tables around in your favor. Now is the time to see tremendous results that will catapult your online commissions to the next level. Introducing the most effective method to generate massive affiliate commissions on a daily basis by promoting other people's products. Here's what you'll discover in this step-by-step video training. The complete system to making money quickly and easily with affiliate marketing, step by step. How to get started and build a profitable affiliate business by selling other people's products. The time-tested formula used by successful marketers to build a massive affiliate business empire within months. How to identify hot and demand products that will convert like crazy while making you a ton of money at the same time. The fastest and simplest way to sell anything online. This is the secret that most marketers don't want you to know. The secret ingredients you need to add in your affiliate site to ensure you are getting targeted buyers to your offers. How to build up a profitable mailing list that will keep buying whatever you promote to them. Step-by-step video walkthrough of how to set up your email money-making campaigns in a snap. How to make sales every day and take your affiliate business to the next level while building a full-time income. real-life demonstration of how to set up a profitable campaign the right way, and so many more. This is such an amazing offer. How much for all this? Many people that try to figure things out on their own end up wasting a lot of time and never make the kind of money they set out to make. That's because they spin their wheels, follow bad advice, and just don't get the right roadmap to success. This blueprint will prevent that from happening. When you invest in this training today, you get a foolproof plan to online success. When you consider all the unheard secrets you'll be learning inside this blueprint, it would be very easy to put a price tag of $297 or more. But when you grab this today, you won't pay $127 or more. In fact, you won't even have to invest the normal, everyday price of just $97. Today, you can get it at the highly discounted, one-time investment of just $37. To get instant access, all you have to do is click the button below. Get Commission Blueprint 2.0 at one-time price. Pay just $17 once and use forever. Get instant access now. My awesome results get from Chzu. Here's how to get access to Commission Blueprint 2.0 training right now. You're just 3 steps away. Enter your details. Act fast before the price increases. Just attend this free secret training. This takes 30 seconds or less. Enjoy the passive income. Watch sales pouring in on. That's it. Just 3 steps from living a life of your dream. Get Commission Blueprint 2.0 at one-time price. $197 monthly, pay just $17 once and use forever. Get instant access now. Use code MyCommissions to get $4 off now. I'm talking about life-changing amounts of money. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with a screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have a look at the bonuses. These are not the 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is a review from the best review for you team. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below.